The Goodman is running. Last time I checked the weather, it was in the low 20s with the wind chill that makes it feel like it's 14 degrees. And this is solid ice right here. This pan of water froze up last night. See if I can actually... Solid ice. That compressor does not sound good. And actually, the flue pipe's running, and looks like all the runoff froze right there. Look at that. And you can actually see the exhaust. A little bit of ice right there. Train XP10s. And again, these are straight cool units, and it looks like the flue pipe, the runoff of the flue pipe right here also froze. So yeah, 2004 Train XP10 straight cool air conditioners with climate tough reciprocating compressor and the R22 refrigerant, I believe. Yep. Alright, let's see if any of the Goodmans went in the defrost. Nope, just running normally. And there's more ice right here. Yeah, everything's frozen. Ice everywhere. And we will get 2 more units. The Lennox is running. Something sounds loose in there. Maybe like a screw or something. The '05 Goodmans sound blanket. That Lennox Merit Series and 2 of my Goodmans are heat pumps. All of the others appear to be straight cool units. I know this one's a straight cool, and that one's definitely a straight cool. There's a flue pipe right there that's running. And the other 3 units up there. 2 carriers and a Comfort Maker soft sound. Yep. Yeah, here are the other 3 central air conditioners. 2015 Comfort, or 2013. I thought, is it 2015 or 13? I think it was 13. Yeah, 2013 5-ton Comfort Maker soft sound. Sound blanket, and 2 2006 2-ton carriers. Okay, and there's actually a house just down the street that has 3 Lennoxes. I'm not sure if those are heat pumps or straight cools, but I'm going to take a look at those in just a sec. But yeah, there's the disconnect boxes. Looks like there used to be a label right there, but it's worn off. Okay, I'll be back. Here are the Lennoxes. Copeland reciprocating. I haven't seen that in a Lennox in a while. Flue pipe right there. This is solid ice I'm walking on. Gotcha. Yeah, these are straight cool units. Looks like there used to be an energy gun right there, but that's gone. This one's a 2005 1.5 ton. And I think it'll be too risky to get the ears off of these. Okay, once again, I'll be back. Okay, the Goodman sounds like it might be defrosting. Or not. Okay. Listen to that compressor. Yeah, it doesn't really seem to be frozen. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.